Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop here. This one is an HP-14 CK0004 laptop, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how to replace your battery or upgrade or remove your battery. This applies for any HP-14-CK series laptop. So it doesn't have to be CK a specific number. So any CK starting with, this procedure is the same. And I hope you guys like this video and helps you guys out. So let's get it started. First thing first, you will need the power off the laptop completely. Then you want to flip it upside down. And down here, you're going to see 2 screws on the bottom cover visible. Make sure the power is off. And then you want to grab yourself a screwdriver set. I always suggest you guys grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set, as they have one of the best screwdrivers, and the bits are S2 class steel. We're going to be using a Phillips number 1, and we're going to be using an opening tool. For the opening tool, you can get the Pro set. I'll leave the link in the video description, or you can simply grab any guitar pick, a metallic one. These are really suitable to opening covers and cases. So right now we're going to start removing the 2 visible screws. These are black colored screws. So go ahead and remove them. And once you remove these ones, now there's a hidden screws on the, if you look at the front end of the laptop, this tiny cover here, slim one, you want to lift it up from the left side, put this opening tool underneath and lift it up about 10 centimeters or 5. And you're going to see the first screw right there. You don't need to lift up anymore. And put it back down, remove the screw. But on the back one, you want to remove it entirely. So start from one corner, place it right underneath, and lift it up. Make sure you bring it up in 45-degree angle. Do not go over like this. Otherwise, you're going to break the rubber right here with the stress. Just lift it up and go help it out slowly and pick it up in 45-degree angle. And put it to one side. Now down here you're gonna see 3 more screws. Go ahead and remove them. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Also, I realize there is only 1% of my viewers are subscribed to the channel. If you guys find my content helpful and helping you guys out, please feel free to click that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to support the channel. I'll really appreciate it. Alright, once you remove the screws on the bottom cover, you want to open up the laptop about like this. Now you want to stick the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover, just like that. Now you want to twist it towards the outside, pretty much jacking up the palm rest up. So you want to hear a few clicks. That's all you want to hear. Do the sides, do the front, left and right. Do that side and do this side. Okay, once you did those, now you're going to gently close up the screen. Now, the side that there's only one USB port and SD card reader, you want to put your thumb right on the hinge right here to support it, and grab your palm and grab the case and pull it up. Once you pull it up, the case is going to come loose. Lift it up a little bit and push it towards the other I/O side. Wiggle it around and it should come out. So you release all these bottom USBs. Once you remove the bottom cover, the battery is going to be right in front of you. This battery, it is an H. The model is H303XL. But if you want to get the HP spare part number, it would be L419-855. So that's L1111-9-855. To remove the battery, all you need to do is remove all the screws that are chrome screws that touching the battery. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's nothing here, and there should be one over here, but this one is missing one, I guess. So you leave them in the video comment if you guys had that one or yours is missing too. So remove all the screws that are touching the battery. The screws all should be the same size and height. Once you remove all the batteries, all the screws, all you need to do is grab the battery right by the jack right here and lift it up. Bring this side upward. Once you brought it up, is disconnected, just grab it and pull it forward towards the screen, the other side, so you can release this one here, because this one, if you try to lift it up from here up, it will not come up because of this. So lift it up and bring it up. So that's your battery. This is a 1, 2, 3 cell batteries, polymer. It is what? Let's see. It is 11.55 volt, 3470 milliamp battery. And once you, let's say you got the new battery, all you need to do, same thing. First put this side inward, all the way in, and then bring it over gently and push the jack right towards the motherboard. And put the rest of the screws that you removed from the old battery. Just put it right on top. Alright, once you put the screws on, all you need to do is grab the bottom cover. First, we're gonna scoop in the I/O side where there's a 2 USB and HDMI port. So you want to scoop this one right through here. So bring it in 45 degree, scoop it right there and squeeze it down. Make sure you hit that click, keep it there, and release this side and push the front end. Listening to those clicks, go all around towards the back, and that should be all. And the last thing would be to just grab the bottom screws, the chrome ones under the rubber leg, and the black ones right in front of the laptop. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out to replace your battery for your HP 14-CK model series. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in the video description, video comment, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And that's it.